In this video I will show you how to fix Gmail not receiving emails. So what you need to do is to click on Gmail app, and after that you need to choose the right Gmail you are on, and after that click on the three lines on the right, on the left top corner, and scroll down all the way to the end and click on settings icon, settings option, and after that scroll down all the way to the end and tap on data usage. And from here you need to make sure to turn on the download attachment and disable the limit data usage, and after that tap on sync settings, and you need to make sure the same settings I have right here, and after that tap on done and click back of the app, exit, and after that tap on the settings icon, and after that scroll down and tap on general and tap on iPhone storage. This is work on Android as well, the same process. And after that scroll down until you find Gmail app, click on it, and from here tap on upload app, and after you click on upload app, now you will clear any data or viruses you have on the app, and after that you need to reinstall Gmail, and after you did that, now you need to restart your device, and after you restart your device click on Gmail again, and now you will fix your problem. I have this problem before and now I fix it like this, and basically that's it. Please leave a like on the video, and if this video helped you, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.